Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In the previous video we installed Flow application, before we installed OpenReports, and before we installed IoT Platform with Stream application. In this video we will install OpenPlatform application. To be honest, you can work with IoT Platform also without this application, but when you will know what you can achieve with this application, I'm sure that you will want it. So let's not waste the time and we can go right to it. As first we can go to GitHub, to Total.js, and then we can find in the repositories OpenPlatform. Oh, sorry, my bad. Here is OpenPlatform. And now we can copy link for download. Now we can go to our IoT platform folders, and here we can create a new folder which will be Open Platform. We can go in here and open a terminal, and here we can put command git clone and our link from GitHub. Now, as you can see, our platform is downloading. I jumped through the process of downloading, and as you can see, it's already downloaded. Now we can open terminal in here, but before running it, we have to go to index.js file, and we have to change a port for the application, because we have already in use ports 8000, 8001, 8002 and 8003. We can put here 8004. I will save this, and also we have to update config. Now we can update our config file. We'll open it, and we have to put it a connection string. I will take a connection string from the OpenReports because I want to have everything in the one database. I will remove this, and I will put here a connection string, and we can save it. Now we can open a terminal here, and we will run here command node index.js, and we can enter this URL in our browser. And now our OpenPlatform is running. As the login, name and password, we can use a default name and password, and you can find it here in the GitHub, and the name is info Total.js.com, and password is admin. Now we are signed in our IoT platform. OpenPlatform. Now, when we are here, you may already ask a question: what is OpenPlatform? OpenPlatform is a portal for running, integrating, and managing multiple third-party web applications. It includes user authentication and permissions management for connected applications. As with OpenReports and Flow, it is not necessary to use OpenPlatform in the IoT platform, but it enhances possibilities for various cases. We will integrate here IoT platform application, OpenReports application, and Flow application for easier access to all of them. This will make feeling that all of these apps are one system, and we will be able to create access for our users, manage their permissions, or add new modules to our app application. Now, when we are here, we can start with adding our applications to OpenPlatform. So we will do it in here, and we will add application in here. We can click here for import, and you will see this form for import applications. We need this URL address for every application. You can find this link here in settings. We are now in our IoT platform, and this link for Total.js Open Platform you can see here in this part. And this is the link. I will copy it and we will put it right here. Now we will click to import. I will change this name for IoT. And now here you can see request token and response token. We need to copy these tokens one by one and put it here into our IoT platform. This is the request token and the next one is the response token. Oh, sorry, this is another application. Response tokens. And now we can click submit here. Now in the Open Platform, I will also allow opening the app in a new tab. I will click here and I can click submit, but also you can see here permissions for this application in the Open Platform. I will click submit and we can go to the users. Oh, sorry, to the groups. We have here an admin group and we will add this application to our users, which are in the group of admins. We will click here and click on submit. Now I will go back here and refresh our page. And as you can see, now there is an IoT application. When we want to go back to this application in the tab and we will refresh, the app is not found because we have it here. We can click on the IoT platform and as you can see, this is an iframe. And now our application of IoT platform is available via Open Platform application. And you have here all data you put in IoT application before. So for example, when we go to devices, you can see device we already created is here. Now we have to do this process for another two applications, which is OpenReports and Flow. So again, we will go in the apps section, click import. For this import link, we will go to OpenReports in the settings, and now here is the link. We'll copy this link, put it here, click import. This is the name for the application, OpenReports. And now again, I will check this checkbox and copy request token and put it here in the OpenReport application, and again copy response token, go back to the OpenReport application, copy it here and submit. Now here we can click also submit, and again we will go to the groups, admin groups, because that's only one group we have now, and check these OpenReports and submit. Again back to apps, import, and for this import link we will go here to our flow. We can get this link here in the settings of the flow. We will put it here. Again, this is flow. I will just rename it for flow. Again, check this checkbox, copy request token, put it here, copy response token and put it right here and submit. Now back to Open Platform, submit this form and back to the groups, admin, and check the flow. Now I will close these settings, refresh our page, and as you can see, these two applications appear here. For this OpenReports, and I will click here, and as you can see, this is the OpenReports we installed before in the previous videos, and again flow. And we will click for this flow stream, and as you can see, there is a flow stream we already created in the previous video. The only application we will not import here is stream application, because that application is just for receiving data. And as you can see now, it looks like we have only one application, but there is IoT Platform application, OpenReports application, and Flow application in one case. And just like this, you can manage your permissions for users by adding some users, creating a new group, and then check what permissions you want to give to this group. So that's all for this video. I hope you learned something new, and I hope we will see each other in the next video. Bye and have a nice day.